Good evening, I'm Josh Knoll, and this is Quick Pulse News. Tonight, we turn our attention to the raging wildfires sweeping through Los Angeles, raising urgent questions about America's preparedness for the escalating threats of climate change. The state boasts some of the most stringent wildfire building codes in the country, reinforced by a $4 billion fire agency budget and top-tier firefighting teams. Homeowners in high-risk areas are required to maintain defensible spaces around their properties, measures other states struggle to implement. Yet, this week's fires have consumed large parts of Los Angeles, exposing significant cracks in even the best-laid plans. Joshua Sachs from the Georgetown Climate Center highlights the dilemma. Climate change is pushing us to our limits. The risks are growing faster than our efforts to adapt. Compounding the crisis are apparent lapses in planning. Reports of dry fire hydrants, inadequate evacuation and routes,